Exercise number 2. Ready? Start. Honorable members, facilities for the women workers in the unorganized sector are also being augmented. Self-employment opportunities are being made available to rural women through Rashtriya Ajivika Mission. Under the Rashtriya Ajivika Mission, loans amounting to more than rupees 2 lakh crore have been disbursed so far to 3 crore women in rural areas. My government is committed to make women equal stakeholders in the country's development and prosperity. Efforts will be made in collaboration with industry and corporate sector to provide better employment opportunities to women. In addition, in government procurement, priority will be given to those enterprises where women's participation in the workforce is more than the prescribed limit. To secure equal rights for every sister and daughter in the country, eradication of social evils like triple talaq and nikah halala is imperative. I would urge all the members to cooperate in these efforts to make the lives of our sisters and daughters better and dignified. Honorable members, our young generation must have a meaningful participation in the building of New India. In the last 5 years, attempts have been made for developing the skills of the youth, providing them financial support for startups and self-employment, and making available adequate number of seats for higher education. The amount of scholarship has also been increased by 25%. The government has made provision of 10% reservation for youth from economically weaker sections of the reserved category. This will enable them to get more opportunities in employment and education. To enable the youth of all strata of society to fulfill their dreams, timely provision of financial resources is being emphasized. The impact of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana has been felt on a big scale. Under this scheme, about 19 crore loans have been disbursed for self-employment. An effort will now be made to cover 30 crore people by expanding this scheme. A facility for entrepreneurs to avail loan up to rupees 50 lakh without any guarantee will also be introduced. Apart from this, new employment opportunities will be generated through appropriate policies in sectors which have the potential to accelerate the economy. Today, India has joined the League of Countries with most number of startups in the world. To improve the startup ecosystem, the government is simplifying the rules. This campaign will be further expedited. Our goal is to establish 50,000 startups in the country by 2024. Research is being encouraged in higher educational institutions. To further strengthen this effort, it is proposed to establish a national research foundation to encourage cooperation among different institutions for higher education. Honorable members, our young generation must have a meaningful participation in the building of new